Cardiac cycle. Generally, a human heart beats up to 60 to 100 times per minute. Cardiac cycle has two phases, systole and diastole. Systole occurs when the heart contracts to pump the blood. Diastole is the relaxed state of heart after contraction. The deoxygenated blood from vena cava and the oxygenated blood from pulmonary veins enter atria. Through the tricuspid wall, the deoxygenated blood enters the right ventricle, which is sent to the lungs through pulmonary artery. The oxygenated blood from the left atria is pumped into the left ventricle through mitral valve, and it is sent to the parts of the body except lungs through aorta. During the ventricular contraction, the blood moves to aorta and the pulmonary artery walls are closed forcibly, producing a sound lubb. When the ventricles start relaxing, the walls present in the blood vessels gets closed by producing a dull noise dubb.